Surprise! Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day! It's my favorite day! Do you know why? Today is Valentine's Day, and it's a day that we get to spoil all the people that we love. So now that you know that today is Valentine's Day, where do you think it is on the board? Do you have a clue? What would be a good clue? Well, let's find the last shape we drew on the board. That was yesterday. And then we can find out what today is by knowing what yesterday is. Can you find the last shape? What was it? What's your guess? What's your best guess? Did you say the red heart? You are correct. So yesterday was Saturday. Oh, I've got to reach way up here. Saturday. I don't know if I can reach way up the top. Can you see? Jump. February 13th. Whew, that was a big jump. So yesterday was Saturday, February 13th. And we need to find the next square. And it's at the end of the row. So where do you think we're going to go from here? Maybe we can go over here. That kind of looks about right. What shape do you think we should put in there? Good guess. Let's go back to the beginning of our shapes and let's do all of our pattern together to find out if we are correct. Are you ready? Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus. Heart, rhombus? Did you guess a rhombus? Good for you! Let's draw our blue rhombus on today's square so that when we are figuring out our calendar, we know where to come back to every time. Start up at the top and go on an angle down to the left, and then you want to go down to the bottom. Are you drawing on your own calendar or maybe on your own piece of paper? If not, you can do it in the air. Come back up this way and then up to the top. And then we'll color that in. The blue rhombus is a very special shape because it has two names. Some people call it a diamond and some people call it a rhombus. And you can call it whatever you like, but while we're doing our pattern, we're just going to say rhombus so that we can remember. And it can stick into our brain and we'll remember that it's also called a rhombus. Great shape drawing. Now, do you remember what we need to do next? That's right, we need to figure out the day, the name of the day. And do you remember how many days there are to choose from? Let's figure it out together. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job! Thank you so much for doing that with me. So let's put the day of our week down in our sentence. Our sentence begins with the two words today is. And today is capitalized because it's the first word in our sentence. And we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is Sunday. So we're going to put a capital S because it's the name of the day. U-N-D-A-Y. And then we're going to put a comma here. And that comma reminds us to pause 1 second before we say our next word. And our next word is going to be the month. Do you remember how many months of the year there are? Let's count them together. Are you ready? Oh, we gotta reach. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, that was tough. Let's see if we can remember their names. Do you remember their names? Let's try it. Ready? I'm jumping. Jumping. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is today? It's the second one way up here. February. Let's put it into our sentence. Today is Sunday, comma, capital F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Do you remember what the number is? Let's go figure it out. What number do you think it is today? If yesterday was the 13th, what do you think today will be? Ooh, I hear good guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count our numbers together and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did you guess 14? Good job! Let's put it on our calendars together. You can put it on your calendar or on your paper, or you can just draw it in the air with me. Ready? Let's go. 14 is 2 digits put together. So you start up top with a 1, just like this, and go straight down. Then you go back up to the top and make a little line and go across. Then you make another line and come all the way down. 14. Good practicing. Now that we put 14 on the calendar, do you think we can count backwards together? Let's try. Even if you don't know, try it with me. Are you ready? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Surprise! So now we figured out the number. Let's put it in our sentence. Today is Sunday, February 14th. So we need a 1 and a 4. 14. Now we need to figure out the year. The year is 2021. Today is Sunday, February 14th, comma, 2021, period. Did you check the weather before we sat down today? Is it snowy where you are? Do you get to build a snowman? It's not snowy where I live. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you are today? We have a little bit of clouds, but it's not fully cloudy, so I'm not going to use that one. What about sunny? Is it sunny where you are? Are you wearing shorts today? Or are you wearing snow pants and a winter jacket? It's kind of sunny today, but not all the way sunny. What about rainy? Do you have rain where you are? We don't have any rain here. But we do have sunshine and clouds, which is partly cloudy, partly sunny. So that's what we're going to put on our weather chart today. Can you help me put the weather in the weather chart today? Partly sunny, partly cloudy. Well, it is kind of sunny, but not totally sunny. It's cloudy a little bit, but not all the way. Cloudy with rain, no rain here. Snowing? Nope, no snow. Partly cloudy, partly sunny. That's the one we want. And look, it already has 5 tally marks. Did you remember that? This symbol means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get to put one more. Do you know what 5 plus 1 is? Let's figure it out together. We have our 5 tally marks. We're going to do one more. Put your finger to the sky or your crayon on your paper and strike it down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have 6 partly sunny, partly cloudy days this month so far. That's exciting. Yesterday, Celine was feeling really excited about Valentine's Day, and I'm also very excited about Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to leave this one up for today. I hope you're feeling excited about Valentine's Day, and I hope that you do something kind today, like maybe hug your adult or your sibling, or maybe go say hi to your neighbor, drop a little Valentine in their mailbox. There's all kinds of wonderful things that you can do today. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and we will see you another day. Bye-bye, friends. Happy
Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.